Today I'll show you how to take apart this Crosman PowerMaster760 first variant and show you how less complicated these were back then than they are today. First, you start out by moving the brass knob, these screws, and these two other screws on the other side, and the stop. Right now, in the process of restoring this PowerMaster760. I had it working perfectly last night until today. Now it keeps leaking air. I don't know where, but it is. This is the trigger mechanism for the PowerMaster760. Now, if you notice, when you see videos taking people taking apart the new ones, the Pump Masters, that I have about 4 or 5 parts just for the trigger. This one's got a spring, a pin, and the trigger. And you're done, and it's super simple to put back together. Set that side over here, and put that together later. Now when you're taking these apart, there's going to be these two pieces right here. The spring and the little button thing that holds the BBs in the reservoir until the bolt magnet picks them up, so they just don't come sliding down the barrel. Here you got the magazine port switch. Here's your bolt. Put the brass knob on it so you don't lose it. You can just set this, the other half over there. And to get this part apart, you need would be a hammer and some kind of pin. I've been using a square piece of metal that is just the right size, which has disappeared on me, to punch out the rolled pin. Here it is. You want it like this. Here's the pin. Just a sheet of metal that's been rolled into a cylinder. Set that with the other stuff. Along with the pin to hit it if you need to help hit it back in. You're going to get your small Allen wrench and take the barrel holder to the pump sleeve off. Don't take the screw out, the set screw all the way out, because it doesn't need to. Yeah. You just slide it forward. And the front part of the barrel becomes separated. It's joined right back here with a screw. And to get the pump out, all you have to do is slide it out. I'll first take the barrel holder off. Do that, and take off the front sight. Alright. Finish taking the piston and the pump arm off. Seems to be that there was some kind of tape in there, or dirt. Nah, it was just wood. Do not get any dirt down in this. You want to keep that clean as possible, or it will ruin the pump inside. The seals on it. I'll be showing you how to get to the seals, but first you gotta detach the barrel from this part. There's a little screw in here. You unscrew it. It comes up there. Sorry about that. I'm gonna take your screw out and set it with your bolt, your pin, and the rest of the screws, which I'm missing one. Where'd that screw go? Oh, there it is. Right now, the reason I'm taking this apart is because I got a pellet stuck down the barrel. Well, it's not stuck down the barrel, it's just right there where it's supposed to be when you shoot it. But you can't see it. So, set that aside along with your other parts. Check your seals on your piston. Make sure it's clean. If you have to, get a roll of paper towels. And clean it off. You don't want to get all the oil off the seals, but this is the front. To check the pieces. See if there's any chunks missing from over there, is just falling apart. This one seems to have the seals replaced a while ago. because there's scratches on the brass part. I'm going to set the side over here. Now, you're going to be careful of this. Transfers the air from here to the barrel to eject the BB or the pellet. So put that aside where you won't lose it. Now, there's this piece right here. It's going to have 3 slots in it on one side and none on the other. But mine right now has a broken piece off of it, so there's only 2 little parts of a circle in it instead of 3. Take that out. Put it aside of the other parts. And you should be able to pull out the back piece. Where is it getting caught? There. Oh, dropped my screwdriver. Okay. There's the back plug to the keeps this spring in place. There's one of the spring. Probably the only one, I don't know. Yeah. Gotta get my screwdriver. Now you're using a screwdriver to get this out. Do it very carefully. Matter of fact, I'll see if it slides out the front easier. Since the front part already seems to be there. There's the one part. This piece here, where the hole is, goes through that hole. That's where the screw goes into this side plate right here. And that's what holds that there and makes the air pressure and helps cock the gun. Set that on a paper towel. You're going to clean that off later. And here's where the air gets transferred to the gun from this piece right here. Set that on the paper towel too. Now there's one more piece in here that's stuck. It's got to come out this way. Now it will not be able to come out of the front like the other parts did, because there's a little notch divoted in right there to keep it from going. So carefully try to get it out with the least amount of damage you can. I do not know what this is, but I need a light to help see down, which I do not have around here right now. There we go. That's what that is. That's where the spring goes in. Here. That's the back. Where that one roller pin went. Which way this went together. That's what I have to figure out, and I'll tell you. Take a piece of your paper towel. And carefully wipe off the brass piston. Try to get all the dirt off you can. Now the seal on here is in amazing condition from what I can tell. I don't know how good your seals will be, but mine look great. Now, I don't know if the seals in this gun have been replaced in the past, except on the pump handle, which I know because there's marks on it. This is a two-piece too. There's a seal on the back of this one too. This is what seals it from the breech here. And allows and help keeps the gun from leaking air. Now I believe this is the one that's giving me the problems. But after looking at it, I don't know. Looks fairly new. There's no dry rots, no cracks in it. What this little cup is in here, I do not know. All I know is that it was on here when I let go. I took it off. Some pressure came out. Now, I believe this is a two-piece right here too. I gotta get some pliers. I'm gonna use pliers on these. Yeah, protect them. I'm gonna use a bandana to help protect it. Okay, find your pliers. There's one of them. The other was around here somewhere. Here you go. I'm going to do this here. For the other side, I'm just going to use some paper towel. But be careful not to clamp onto the O-ring. I'm going to find something better than a towel. I'm not going to bother with that right now. This apparently seems to be under tight. But there should be more seals in the insides that I've seen from other pictures and videos. I'll take this part later, but this is what holds the air in the canister in here. How this part works, I'm clueless. But I do know this O-ring right here easily moves on it. I would clean up the parts, but leave some of the grease on them. If your seals are still good, what you do is you get some Pell Gun oil. Where you get that, I don't know. But or you get some gun oil. Just let those, put a couple drops on that, and it should swell back up. Okay, I'm back. I got this piece is loose. They're on there together pretty tightly. We gotta go back at this with the pliers. Now, it might take you a while. Yours might be easier to come off. But mine just doesn't want to come off. So make sure you roll it up with enough padding so that the edges and the pliers don't get it. Hope I got this now. Loose enough. You have to be careful. You get a small screwdriver. Carefully try to pry it up. Spring, rusty. O-ring. Just leave it on there. Where the hell that's for? Damn it. Nylon. Piece of crap. I'm zooming in, bitch. Screws. No, when you're zooming in, it doesn't take audio, you know, right? So when you're zooming in and out, it doesn't take audio, so.
What do you mean?
Like when you start zooming in, it won't record sound.
How's this work?
It's not hooked up. This weather? Screw that back tightly.
Like it's not supposed to get freaking cold like it usually is.
Oh, yeah.
That Highland Village is in phase 2 of their water preservation.
Is that good? Or bad?
That means that like every couple of days they shut people's house water off. And then turn it back on again. Kinda fucked up, but you know. I thought that was alive. Right there.
No, that's not alive.
Freaked me out for a second. I was like, really?
Time to put this.
So how's your one class?
I got 3.
I got 2. Economics and audio tech.
No, I get speech first semester too.
Oh, how's Benny?
She's not gonna be there for 4 weeks. Like, I got Miss Rush as a substitute, other known as Mrs. Green or something.
Got a nut stuck in my throat. I was eating peanut. Need a ramrod?
No, I was looking for that.
Need it?
Not anymore.
I want to snow so I can play in the snow with my Jeep.
And put more holes in the back of my shirt?
You just need to go to CCA and buy like a big ass heavy duty jacket for like $4. They have like a full camo jumpsuit.
Still?
Yeah, they have like full army suits for like $14. And they have the army boots that comes with them. They're camo.
What, the digital camo?
No, they're not red, like the duck redhead or whatever.
Oh, redhead? Or
Yeah, it's not that, but it's I think it's like mossy oak or something.
that bottle's Team Real Tree.
Yeah. It's either Realtree. That's what mine comes with. Or they're like live oak or something. Figure out where this is cool.
Can I see it?
No, you can't, Emily.
Careful, push it down. Oh, there we go.
You should have told us he was leaving.
Well, I know he's at his dad's house.
Yeah, me too. I thought I just wasn't seeing him at school. I really wasn't seeing him at school because he was over here.
Damn bastard.
Calling me a fucking idiot.
I was wondering why he was in my class the other day, after school.
I wonder if he took all of his crap from his mom.
He probably took most of it.
What if he took his bike? Do you think we get back together now?
Yeah. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Let's see.
Hey Dylan, guess what? They got a
Cause like for Advanced Auto Tech 3, you get to work. You get to work. You have a job and stuff.
Does it matter where you work though?
I mean, it can't be just food place.
Yeah, what?
It can't be like a lube place. I mean, it's gotta be like.
No, but what if you have a job at a grocery store?
No, it has to be mechanic job.
You could go be the mechanic at Putt Putt for the go-karts.
No, but
You know how easy that would be?
yeah, that'd be easy.
With Dylan Smith in my welding class? It's kinda scary. Apparently last year someone welded his belt buckle to the table.
Dylan Smith?
They just like grabbed it and were like, what? He was like, what?
Dylan, Mama will be home in about 20.
No. It's freaking like 9.
Wait, are you recording again?
Yeah.
Are you still recording?
I started again.
When does it go?
To push stop button.
And go for like till the battery runs out?
Hmm?
My phone only records for like 2 minutes. Once that's full. Yeah, dude, you should go play at Putt Putt and be a go-kart mechanic.
I'm gonna get pissed off at kids, I'll tell you that.
No, you just fix the throttle so when they floor it and they don't think it goes that fast, it'll be like, oh, it's going fast. Just
Take the governor off.
Dude, they were selling some of those over there.
Yeah.
For like $500.
They're not cheap.
Oh yeah. They're not even shifter cars.
Doesn't matter. They got.
They're shitty. The go-kart I have is better. Should use some lube or something for the You have like 10 packets right there of lube.
Not lube.
Lube. Use your anal lube. I gotta fart. How long have we been recording?
What? This is like part 5 or something.
Part 37. Are you putting it on YouTube?
Yeah.
How to take apart an old Daisy?
It's Crosman.
An old Crosman.
Fucking shit's falling all over the place.
Smoking a cigarette?
Choo-choo?
Poking a hole, dude? Need to lube that whore.
No.
Lube's good, Dylan.
It's not just going in the hole.
What is this? Thread locker. There's like nothing in there.
Cause you're only supposed to put like a dot.
So if you put that whole thing, you'd never get that bolted?
Unless you put like 5 torches on it.
What is this one?
That's the one that this.
Thread locker blue.
That's one that.
Medium strength.
All it needs is hand tools.
What'd you say?
The blue is for hand tools, and red is heat.
There's grease, you whore. Look at that. Lubricant.
That's anti-seize, bitch.
It says lubricant.
Yeah, but it says anti-seize on top.
Brake parts lubricant. Oh. Could use that on my calipers.
Calipers are fucked.
Pretty much. I'll have to make a video of them.
Show how fucked dickard they are. No, how dickard.
Battery protector. Need to put some of those on the desk.
bitch.
Show your little motor.
No.
You should give it to Mr. Hinesley.
Why?
Or Mr. Hovey, so they can just play with it. Where did the gas tank go?
The gas tank's on. The red part's gas tank.
What is that little filter then?
That's where the air goes in.
Right. I knew that.
That's why the bastard is fucking ovaled out. I don't know how it's ovaled out.
Need to put some heat in it.
It's like the 10th time I've taken this apart.
You get a tattoo of some nipples on the balls. Looks like some sagging. Are you taking your clinic soon?
No. I'm done with that.
Yeah, 'cause you're on the TARD plan.
I don't care. I wanna be on the TARD plan.
Did you shoot arrows?
It works. It self-cocks itself, so when the second pump comes, it lets it out.
So you can only pump it on. It's a one pumper?
No, it's a 10 pump. But there's no trigger catching that.
Right.
Put the son of the bitch over there.
Put the son of the bitch.
Put the son of the bitch on here, and here, and put that over there.
What does he call that when he pants or something?
Pants. Gonna kick your ass, pants.
Put it on backwards.
Pants, stop.
You put it on backwards. Oh wait, no, never mind. I was looking at the wrong. Gun's coming this way.
Don't question my authority.
Oh, I will. Videotape some of your work. Jank wiring.
It works, doesn't it?
Works, but damn.
But damn, dude. It's the high quality.
Dude, I didn't even sand anything off my back bumper when I put the undercoat on it.
Dumb.
Or the gas tank. Seems to be holding. So far.
Little guy goes there. I almost lost this guy yesterday. The other day. I was pumping it and it shot off.
Well, that's what happens when you jack it too much.
Oh,
Pump it and you start shooting everywhere. Like, ah. Is this supposed to go right there? It's a square and it's not a square. Is it? What the hell?
Dumb.
It's pissing me off. I can't get it in the hole. I can't get it in. Yeah, motherfucker. Let's put her in the oh shit.
Are you fucking kidding me?
We have a problem.
You and fucking Cody destroy my room all the time.
The poop on your ceiling?
It's on the wall still.
That's from a long time ago. That's like Christmas break.
No.
You should get like a rubber paddle thing and get for the paint. Or you have the polisher tip for your Dremel, don't you? You have a little cotton tip?
No, I destroyed those.
Well, let's see. Go to Home Depot and find out.
I can go to Home Depot and buy paint.
You have that in Image, right?
Yeah, but I was gonna do a whole fucking gun.
You never know.
was doing so good without the cussing, and then like all of a sudden you come in, and it was just cussing storm.
Fuck it, dude. Go on YouTube, no one cares. Ow! Just stabbed my foot. Hello!
No, it just it beats by itself. It's just times.
Put some warning tape on it.
No, not fucking with that.
Let me piss him off.
Shit.
So what lunch you
Hey.
Where you sit? You sit with Carly?
No, I don't know where she sits.
Have you seen her happen?
No. Tried looking for her the first day, but found Jordan. So
Jordan who?
The one that Justin's
Salzburg?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's better than Justin. So okay.
Yeah. Me and Reed teamed up against Justin and Jordan. We beat their ass in racquetball. Justin was getting so pissed because Reed was beating him.
Well, it's because that's all Reed wants to play over there.
Justin, he's thinking about quitting playing that game.
What, racquetball?
Yeah, because I hit him so hard in the back of the leg. I served it straight into the back of his leg. And he like
On
cried like
accident?
a little bitch. What?
On accident?
Yeah. He thought I was aiming it. He's like, dude, I've been hit so many times, I think I'm gonna quit playing this. It's like, you're just a little degenerate.
No, I'm not ready for that.
What is this part?
That's where you put the BBs in.
No, it's not. Mm-mm. Don't lie to me. Do you know who Mr. G is?
Mr.
The ag dude?
Oh, yeah.
He's not there anymore.
What?
He's like a principal at
Oh yeah, that's
Argyle.
right. Said he wanted to be a principal.
Yeah, the new guy they have there, he's like 20.
Mr. G was like 24.
He's like 30 something.
No, because I had him before.
You had him for the redneck part.
Yeah, I had him for how to make the fishes have babies.
I found your notebook, dog. We were learning different tools today.
You steal more clamps from me?
No.
Why not?
Because I didn't.
You stole that one welding clamp?
Because that was like out on the table. And the other ones were like actually in the closet. Why?
I used to be able to get in the closet all the time where all the tools were.
I didn't even know that closet was there.
You didn't?
No.
Oh, I forgot to put the...
Where'd that go to?
that was the back of the Mustang cover. That someone fucking threw away.
Yeah, someone threw mine away too.
No, you know how you said you wanted it in the go-kart? I left it over there by the metal, closet little thing.
Wait, where?
The metal cabinet.
In your garage?
Yeah. Someone fucking threw it away.
Probably your dad. Yeah, mine disappeared too.
Oh, but mine was a nice one. I had the freaking metal that went around it too.
Yeah, you painted it orange.
You know what? I had fucking orange spray paint in my room. Shut up.
What? You're spray painting your room?
No. I just had it in my room and haven't used it before, so I was like, I'll test out the color on this.
Yeah, like the new teacher put like tools on everyone's table, and we had to like research them, and then tell the class what they are. My frickin' tool was a Phillips screwdriver. So like, it's a Phillips screwdriver. It's meant for screwing nails
Nails?
and screws. Yeah, it's pretty stupid. I feel like everyone knew what every tool was.
Like the simple shit first.
Yeah.
Bet you I know my tools better than you do.
Bet you I don't give a fuck about.
No, that's what you should say to TJ.
The LD kit.
No, it's not.
Whoa.
They're original. Plus my dad fucking drove down a sewer.
Were you like, Dad, you whore?
He went and got me a new one though.
Dad,
Next day it won't work. Like it.
Put this on the Tahoe. Shouldn't the girl?
Yeah, so my advanced auto tech class, there's about 30, 24 guys in there. We're like maxed out.
Were any girls in this one?
No, there was last year. But found out most of them were supposed to be in basic auto tech, so they all had to leave.
That sucks. So how many do you have now?
Say like 15. A lot left. And 3 of them are the ones where they go and find jobs.
Do you have a battery that's charged? Oh shit. I was gonna do the fan.
Okay.
The other one, like these little motors, like melted.
Yeah, you leave them running. They're all those way. I took magnets out of them. I'm gonna use spraying for that.
Is yours charged? Turn it on. Nothing. Touch your wrench to see if it sparks.
It's not really charged, so probably not. So it's supposed to be louder, so I'm gonna put that in the charger. So I'll stick it up here.
But they printed the thing like right over the voltage thingy.
It's 12 volt.
Bad. How many watts is that?
It's probably 5.
1.44 or what? How
Yes,
many
sir.
amps?
Probably 1.
0.124. Shoot it like that. Should put a sniper bow on it. Just leave it alone.
I'm gonna make a mount on here.
Put a
So
scope.
where it comes back and it has the rail on it, so you can put a scope on it.
Just gonna take the rail off your old airsoft gun.
No, I'm gonna custom it.
Custom. There you go.
I'm gonna put a bigger one in there. No piece of shit 4x whatever the fuck it is.
BB gun. That's like a... Look, you can put it in a holster.
I don't have the buckle for the other side.
Coat. Oh. Hey, there's your other door.
Yep. The other one's in the game room.
Whoa. What is that?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
stay in it and not bounce off, cause last night one hit me in the face.
Shoot at your wall.
No.
No, I see you did it.
No, that was airsoft.
Fuck me. Well, damn.
Frickin' PE went in fire and I did less pumps. Did like 3 less pumps than it was in fire. Let's see.
What did this come out? I remember I did like that.
That was something pretty good. So it went about 5 cars in.
Man, I just bit my fucking fingernail back. Fucking destroyed my fingernail.
I didn't get to.
You wanna shoot me in the butt? No thanks.
That was point. Is there
You
pellets in
really
there?
need your archery too. You actually got one?
I'm dead. Actually, I came with a bow and arrow. I got